Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy that you came back, or I'm happy to see you for the first time. Today we are cooking chocolate peanut butter banana cookies, and I'm so excited to make these. Now, the recipe calls for 300 grams of bananas. I got those all nice and mashed up. It says that after we smush our bananas smooth with a fork, I used a rice cooking spatula instead, we have to stir in the peanut butter. But we are not just using regular peanut butter. I found this peanut butter and chocolate Jif spread at Sam's Club, and I just had to make a batch of cookies with it. Like, any baker would have been like, cookies, bread, cupcakes. So I got a half a cup of the chocolate peanut butter mixture. We're gonna put that in like so. It doesn't say anything about using an electric mixer, so we're not going to use an electric mixer. Anytime I find a recipe, I follow it exactly how the instructions tell me to the T, until I can figure out what I'm doing in the kitchen. All right, now it says we need to add our cocoa and our flour. So I'm mixing the cocoa and flour together before I put it in the bowl. I pre-weighed everything before I started recording. So that is a 1/3 cup of cocoa and a 1/3 cup of flour. There we go. We got a fudgy, chocolatey batter. Now that we got all the ingredients mixed together, we are going to this amazing pan that my hubby got me for Mother's Day. He also got me the scoops I'm going to be using for my birthday. It says scoop and plop. Scoop. Plop. All right, now they're all portioned out. I've never made cookies like this before without eggs, so this is gonna be interesting. They look a little wet, so they might spread out a bit. We'll see. All right, we are gonna bake these beautiful babies at 350. Here we go. Do not judge my oven, y'all, okay? Do not judge me. I tried. This thing was dirty when I moved into my house. Look how beautiful they are. I kind of figured I would make more than there's 6, 7, 8 cookies, but who knows? All right, the recipe says we're gonna bake these for about 15 to 16 minutes. That is a long time for cookies. I normally only bake mine for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is what they looked like coming out of the oven. They look delicious. Now we get to do the best part about baking cookies. We get to eat it. Let's see what it tastes like. Look at that. Let's break it apart. Ooh, still nice and warm. You see the delicious banana. insane. It is like dessert and breakfast had a delicious baby, and I am just eating it up. Thank you for joining me. I really am glad that you stuck around for the entire video. Please come back for more. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all the beautiful things that help support my learning journey, because that is what I'm doing. I'm learning. Hopefully you're learning with me. If you're not learning, hopefully you're laughing at the chaos. Please come back for more.